We are going to unbox around $3,000 worth of sneakers. This is my biggest sneaker haul video yet, and all of these sneakers are my most recent pickups. If you guys can get this video up to 500 likes in the next 24 hours, I will announce a brand new sneaker giveaway in my next video. Comment down below your favorite sneaker pickup in this video, along with your Instagram username, and I'll pick one of you guys to PayPal or Cash App or however you want the money. I'll give one of you guys $50. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and comment down below your favorite sneaker pickup in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you guys enter the giveaway in this video only. Let's jump into today's video. I'm going to show you around $3,000 worth of my most recent sneaker pickups. If you guys enjoy this video, please make sure you hit that like button, and let's get into these pickups. I'm very excited. But real quick, before we jump into the pickups, I just want to thank you guys once again for the last and final time. But I've been just so thankful for you guys lately. Views have been up, subscribers have been up, we've been killing it here on the channel, and it's all thanks to you guys. So thank you guys so much for the love and the support. Keep doing that, keep hitting that like button, make sure you guys subscribe, drop a comment down below. It does help out the videos, it helps out the YouTube algorithm. Just by hitting that thumbs up, shares the video to more people just like that. So please guys, please hit that thumbs up for me. It really does help the channel grow. Almost at 16.2 thousand subscribers already. We've been killing it lately, so thank you guys so much for the love and the support. I would love to hit 50,000 by the end of the year. That would be amazing. I mean, even 20 or 30,000 is still amazing, so thank you guys so much for the love and the support. So let's keep killing it, let's keep grinding, and let's keep growing. More family. I know we got this. I know that we can grind and we can kill this, so thank you guys so much. Let's keep growing. Let's hit that 100K. I really want that silver play button. YouTube has already been life-changing for me, but I'm telling you guys, if I continue to grow, it can get even more life-changing for me and even for some of you guys, because as I grow here on YouTube, I can just give back to you guys more, do more giveaways, and continue to just show you guys that I really do love and appreciate you back, just like you guys are showing me by just watching my videos, hitting the like button, commenting, subscribing. Doing those things is completely free, and it really does show me that you guys really do love me and my content, and I'm so grateful for you guys. Thank you guys so much. Alright, enough of the talking. Let's get into these pickups. I know that's what you guys want to see, so let's get straight into it. First off, we do have a pair of sneakers that I'm actually selling. I'm actually going to sell these. I did pick these up. Was it from a mystery box or a trade? I don't remember. I've had them for quite a while. It might have been a trade or a mystery box. I'm not entirely sure where I got them from. I don't remember. But these are a size 8.5. And these are the Jordan 10 steel. These are actually in really good condition. Like, there's not any real flaws, just a little bit of dirty bottom to them. A really clean shoe. You can't go wrong with the Jordan 10. Very clean. The colorway is clean. They match everything. Black and white. You got that nice Jumpman there on the back. You do have the Air Jordan logo there on the tongue. I mean, these are pretty cool. Nothing too crazy. A real nice general release Jordan 10, though. I'll sell these to one of you guys for a really good price. If you're interested in these, feel free to DM me on Instagram. They do have the original box. They do come with everything, and a very clean colorway of the Air Jordan 10. Next, we have a pair of Jordan 1s. I'm not going to read the labels. There's no point. I'll just go into the shoe. We do have... okay, so this is a pair of sneakers that I copped on a restock, exclusive access restock on Nike sneakers. If you guys want me to do maybe a video talking about exclusive access on Nike sneakers, let me know down below in the comments. But these are the Pine Green Air Jordan 1, the 2.0. That is the 2.0 Pine Green. Very clean Jordan 1, and this is a size 11.5. So that's honestly a money size in this sneaker. Right now, I think they're at around $250 last time I checked on StockX. This is a Jordan 1 that will go up in price. This is a Jordan 1 I do recommend investing in. So if you guys have money and you want to know, what sneaker to invest in that recent released, go ahead and invest in some Pine Green Jordan 1s. These will hit easily over $300 in every single size. They'll even probably go to like $350, maybe even $400 in certain sizes. So make sure you guys do pick them up now. They will take some time, but they're guaranteed. I'm telling you, guaranteed to go up in price. When it comes to me personally investing money, I'd rather invest money into sneakers than keep that money in the bank. That's just me personally. I feel like the money does go a lot longer and a lot further when you put it into sneakers, and you know, you could sell them whenever you want. With today's interest in banks, it's honestly atrocious. It's really bad. It's sad, in my opinion, how bad the interest is at banks. With sneakers, I mean, it's a quick, like, interest, like, a good amount to go up. You know, you pay, say, $220 for pairs right now. In, say, 6 months, even a year later, you know, you bought, say, 10 pairs at $220, you spent over $2,000. Now, every pair just went up to over $300, say $300, you made $80 a pair. You bought them at $220, they went up, say, you know, 6 months later to $300. Now you just made $80 a pair. If you have 10 pairs, for example, you just made, what, over $800 in a few months, like 6 months. The bank will not give you that type of return, probably ever in your life. So that's part of why I recommend just investing money, and why I personally do it myself, invest money in dead stock shoes. So I did pick these up for retail. I'll hold on to these. Right now at $250. I'll probably let them go up to like probably around $320, and then I'll go ahead and let them go. They're not too far off. They're already at $250. Since I've gotten them, they've gone up, I think, $25 already. So, you know, I'll hold on to them a little bit more. I don't need the money, and I'll let them go when they do go up in price, because they're not my size. It is a must cop, I think. I'm pretty sure these are a must cop for me. They say size 11.5. I'd probably rather have a 10.5 or an 11. But that was a really dope shoe. Let me know what you guys think about the Pine Green Air Jordan 1 2.0. Do you like those better than the 1.0? Let me know down below in the comments. Next, we have a very recent pickup, and I'm very, very excited to have them. This is actually my brother's pair. I'm waiting for my pair to come in, and I did sell a pair already, the pair that came in early from Nike. So I did have them a few times. I've done several videos on this sneaker. You guys know what these are. Boom, there they are. The Air Jordan 13 Flint. Woo! I absolutely love this sneaker, man. This is a must cop, a fire classic OG colorway of the Jordan 13. They last retroed in 2010. The 2010 pair was cool and all, but it didn't have the 3M. It did not have the 3M like the OG pair does. The 05 or 04, I think it's 05. Maybe 04, I think it might be 04. One of the two. Pair also has 3M as well. And now the 2020 does. The 2010, once again, did not. So they did this shoe right. They did it justice. The hologram there on the back, very, very nice. A beautiful classic sneaker. I've owned the Flint 13s several times. I've just sold them every time because I've gotten amazing offers. Even when I said I didn't want to sell them, people just knew I had them because I wore them to school, and people just wanted them. And I've just gotten such good offers for this sneaker before, so I had to go ahead and sell them every time I've had them, like 3 or 4 times. But this right here, the 2020 pair, I will be keeping. Like I said, this is my brother's pair. I'm just waiting for my pair to come in the mail. So let me know if you guys copped the Flint 13s. These did drop in resale, which I did say they would do. These were at over $300. They were like $310 to $330. Right now, I believe they're at like $260, $270. They will go up in price, but it'll definitely take a long time from now. So not a shoe I do really recommend investing in. Retail was $190, but they are definitely a clean, fire, must-have shoe in my collection, in my opinion. Thank you, Jordan Brand. I'm very, very happy they finally retroed the sneaker after 10 long years. I got into the sneaker game in 2010. I remember this sneaker when it released. I didn't have money to buy it when it released, but I remember when it did release. I remember people wearing them in school. I eventually got the shoe maybe 2 or 3 years later in a sneaker trade. So yeah, guys, 10 years later, we finally got the Flint 13s back again. Next up, we got a pair of Yeezys. Let's see what recent Yeezy this is. Okay. So these are a pair, I think I had 2 pairs to be honest, maybe even 3, I'm not sure. These are a pair of Yeezy Sulfurs, which I am not a fan really of this colorway. Like I said before, it looks kind of like diarrhea, it looks like poo-poo, I don't know, I just don't like this shoe. Not crazy about the colorway. I absolutely love the 350 V2. This colorway does not do it for me at all. The translucent stripe there, you do have like a mustard yellow type colorway. I'm not feeling this one at all. If you are, that's cool. I'm not a fan of these. I did sell these to my brother once again because he's looking to collect a lot of Yeezys, if not all of them. So he definitely wanted this one. I had no problem selling it to him because these are ugly in my opinion. The Yeezy 350 V2 Sulfur. Let me know if you guys cop these. If you didn't, what you guys think about this Yeezy. Is Yeezy hype dying? Let me know what you guys think about that down below in the comments. I don't think so. I don't think Yeezy hype is dying. I think, you know, Adidas is selling more Yeezys now than ever before. It's just resale is dying a little bit. But they're still profitable. You know, certain sizes, certain releases, you could still make some decent money on Yeezys. This is a ugly colorway. I believe these were a Yeezy Supply exclusive and a Yeezy app exclusive. I'm pretty sure. So these were pretty limited, pretty tough to get. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys took a W or an L. And let me know what you guys think about this colorway of the Yeezy 350 V2. The Yeezy 350 V2 Sulfur. We got a pair of Jordan 1s. Let's see what we got. Oh, okay. We got some fire right here. These are the Royal Toe Air Jordan 1, man. Very, very clean. Very, very fire. Fire, man. Do not sell these. I did a dope video talking about resale on this sneaker and why I think you guys should not sell them. Hold on to them. This sneaker will go up in price. This will be a very, very, very expensive sneaker. Quality is nice. The colorway is nice. The color blocking. People will reference it kind of like a not for resale Jordan 1 because it's that exact colorway, that color blocking. Even the Fragment 1, because the blue is exactly the same. They just need to put blue back here instead they put black. I do like the black. I would like it blue. I like it black. I think it looks clean. Either way, you really can't go wrong. You do have the white Wings logo, which I do like. I like the whole entire shoe. I think they did a really good job on this colorway, and this is definitely a must cop. A very dope Jordan 1. One of the best releases, I would say, so far of 2020, in my personal opinion. The Royal Toe Jordan 1. Very, very dope. Don't sell them. Hold on to them. They will go up in price. All sizes definitely will. I absolutely love this colorway. I really do, of course, like the Royal ones better. I like the Fragment ones better, but these are very, very clean and a very dope shoe. And like I said, a must cop for me personally. Let me know if you guys took a W or an L on the Royal Toes. These were pretty tough to get. So let me know if you guys copped or if you didn't. Another Jordan 1, but we got the reverse box. And this is a pair I did buy from StockX to just hold on to. I feel like these will go up in price. It'll take some time. They'll eventually go up in price, though. And I did cop my size, the Jordan 1 UNC to Chicago. Very, very clean colorway. A woman's shoe, which in my opinion might hold it back a little bit for resale. But it is a Jordan 1 nonetheless. Colorway is clean, and you really can't go wrong with this colorway. Quality is nice. They did a really good job on the quality, the colorway. Very, very clean. This is a woman's size 12, which is a men's size 10.5. There is a size and a half difference between them, so if you're looking to cop and you're a guy, make sure that you go up a size and a half when you're looking to purchase this sneaker because it is a woman's shoe. You do have a nylon Nike Air, which I do prefer. I like it much better than the leather. So they did this shoe right. They did a good job. They have been going up in price, but I think they'll take a little bit more time to go up even more. But if you did cop for retail, this is not a bad shoe to hold, in my opinion. So the Jordan 1 UNC to Chicago. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about these. Let me know if you would wear these. Do you like these? I know some people wouldn't wear these because it is a women's shoe. Personally, I wear them, man. I think they're dope. It's a Jordan 1 nonetheless, and you really can't go wrong with this clean colorway. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, please make sure you guys smash that like button and make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you guys want more sneaker content. Also, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Let's get this video up to that 500 like goal within 24 hours. This way I can announce a brand new sneaker giveaway in my next video. Now we have a pair of Jordan 4s that I'm not sure why I bought. It was in a recent video like the other day. I'm not sure why I really bought these, but these are the metallic purple Air Jordan 4. I guess you could say I bought them for content purposes as well. I mean, that's pretty obvious. As well as to see the quality in hand, and maybe if I would want the red pair, because red is my favorite color, and I feel like red will probably be the most hyped, the most sought after of the 4 colorways that are dropping. The purple hits are really nice. They do shine. It is a very, very shiny, there it is, metallic purple, which I do like. My one complaint about the shoe would have to be the tongue, man. I'm not crazy about the tongue. Just look at the shape of it, how it's like very weirdly shaped, and it's fat. Like there's a lot of padding in this tongue, which Jordan 4s never really have padding on them. The older pairs especially do not have padding on them. It's the 5s that have padding, not the 4s that have padding. Anyway, they did a really good job though with the leather. It is pretty soft, and it does have some nice wrinkle to it, some softness there, and it, there's a little bit of tumbleness to it, not too much, but a little bit. This is a sneaker I was thinking about keeping, but then I decided not to because I like the red one better, if anything. So maybe the red one, we'll see, but I'll go ahead and let these go. I actually did sell these already to my brother. He wanted them for whatever reason, so these are the Jordan 4 metallic purple. Recent pickup. You really can't go wrong with any of the pack. It's a very clean sneaker. They will get dirty very, very quick because it is all white. This is a very clean summer sneaker, guys. Look at how clean and white these are. Take care of these. Please, when you wear them, make sure you take care of the uppers because they're going to get dirty very, very quick. But they are very clean and definitely a dope summer Air Jordan 4. We got another Yeezy 350. Let's see what these are. I think I know what they are. Yes. So these are another pair of the Yeezy 350 V2 Sulfur. We did take a look at these already in this video, so I'm not going to talk about them too much. Just let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about them. Am I the only one that doesn't like these? Let me know down below what you guys think about the Sulfurs, and let me know if you guys are tired of the 350 V2. If you guys want a new Yeezy model, let me know down below in the comments. Next, we have a Yeezy 500 box, and this is, yes, a pair of the Yeezy 500 Soft Vision. This is a pair I did pick up on a restock that my brother had exclusive access to on his Adidas app. I did not have access, but my brother came into my room, asked me if I wanted the access to purchase the sneaker. I, of course, said yes. We were able to purchase, I believe, like 4 or 5 other Yeezy 500s as well, but a lot of them were sold out already, and this is the only pair that actually had any little bit of resale. I wasn't crazy about any of the pairs that dropped to personally keep. They didn't restock the blushes or the all triple black, which are the only 2 pairs I would consider even keeping, to be honest. So I did go ahead and sell these. My brother actually bought these. Yeah, he bought them. He wanted them. Gave them to him for, like, a good price. So he did want them. I guess he'll be keeping them, rocking them. So these are the Yeezy 500 Soft Vision. This is more like a violet purple type colorway. Suede is really nice on the Yeezy 500. Definitely one of my favorite features. I've never worn them. I have heard good things about the Yeezy 500. I've actually heard that they're the most comfortable Yeezy like ever. So let me know if that's true down below in the comments if you have personally worn the Yeezy 500. But speaking about Yeezys, I'm very excited for more Yeezys that are coming out in 2020. These are the Yeezy 500 Soft Visions. These are dead stock. Let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comments. Wow, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please, once again, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. I never say it, I always forget, but also make sure you turn on that post notification bell and turn on all notifications. Don't forget to give me a follow on Instagram and Twitter and TikTok, all Danny Moore 2369. Let's keep growing, let's keep killing it. Thank you guys so much for the love and the support. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.